Hi beauties, thanks for clicking on my video. My name is KT. Today we do this face. I just love it. Okay, so let's get started. First, I prime my whole face with moisturizer and setting powder. That's like my normal, routine before my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and brush my brows. I never really show my brows these days, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all me doing my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Dip Brow. First, you want to just like make an outline, and you want to make sure you have those strokes going up in the front, and then you just kind of want to fill in the rest and make sure you brush it out. To conceal my brows, I actually mixed two concealers together just to give me a good shade that I know would fit me better than if I just used one of them. Alrighty, let's get into the eyes. I am priming my lids with my e.l.f. base. And the first color I'm going to use is actually the Super Stay Maybelline in the color 335. And I'm just using that as a transition color. You want to just keep blending that out. Then I'm going in with a darker brown, and I'm just using that in my upper crease and only in the front area. And you kind of want to go over that a couple of times, to blend it and get your browns ombre the right way. So when it comes to cutting this crease, you want to make your time and be very precise because you want it to be clean. You don't want it to be like a little lumpy and stuff all over the place. So take your time, and then you want to blend out the base. And you kind of want to make the end a little seamless. We're going to go ahead and use our Urban Decay eyeshadow base and go over that just for our shimmers because we want them to really pop. And I'm just going to blend that with my finger a little bit since I don't have no nails on. So in our favorite little color pop palette, I'm using the lightest color in the corners. Then I'm going to go into my One Size palette, and using this color on the end, I'm going to ombre that into the first color. It's kind of a yellow gold. Oh, dance break. Going back into our Super Stay powder, I'm going to use it on the end to ombre it into the shimmers and upward just to kind of blend everything now, because that's basically the look we're going for. You got to celebrate when it's blending just effortlessly. I love it. So go ahead with my wing liner. Now take your time doing your wing now. I be taking my time. It just be too long to put on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up my fallout from my eyeshadow, and just make sure you're using a moisturizing white. I'm going to go ahead and reset my face with my translucent powder, and using my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Peanut Butter Cup, I'm just going to apply that all over. Using my NYX Jumbo pencil, I'm just going to use some of that under my eyes, and I'm using this as the base for my pink. You want to underline the wing with the white, and then you want to also do the fox eye look in the front with the white liner as well. Going into my masquerade palette, I'm going to use this pink, and I'm going to apply that over my white liner. So this will be the first concealer we add under the eyes, and it's going to help us basically clean up our wings. And you want to conceal everywhere you would normally too. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the line because I want it to be very precise. So I am going to add a brighter concealer under my eyes, only in the front part. I smoked out my wing liner, added blush and some contour. Sorry I'm missing a whole freaking clip, but I'm trying to catch y'all up. So using the Super Stay powder again, I'm just going to blend that under the pink without interrupting it, just to kind of let it blend a little bit better. So here I'm taking that same Super Stay powder and I'm just contouring my nose very lightly. Adding a little bit more blush because I'm addicted, and going ahead and lining my lips. So I'm going to use the Morphe lipstick in the color True Story. Then I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose, nowhere else. Now using my light concealer, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my lips just to brighten it up and give it more of an ombre. So I added my lashes and my mascara. Here's the gloss. I am completely obsessed with this look. If you redo it, please tag me in it. Let me know because I'm obsessed. Subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below. Put a thumbs up and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.